paratang ng mga diskaya ay walang basihan. Hindi lang ito direktang pag-atake sa aking karangalan, kundi insulto sa aking mga kadistrito sa lungsod Quezon na naghalal sa akin upang paglingkuran sila ng may buong katapatan at integridad. Ang trabaho ng mababatas ay magbasa at maging representante ng mamamayan sa pagbabalangkas ng national budget. Mukhang may political agenda ang pagdawit sa aking pangalan. Tama ba ang listahan ni Diskaya? My track record in public service can speak for itself. I have never been charged nor been involved with any corruption. I will not allow myself nor the constituents I represent to be dragged into the mud by individuals peddling lies for their own selfish agenda. I say this without hesitation. I will hold them accountable. My office will launch an exhaustive investigation regarding this matter. I will also file a libel case against the Diskaya so they may answer before the proper court of law for this deliberate action to destroy my reputation by deceiving the public. Let